Imagine a world without bees, butterflies, or even basic crops. This isn't a sci-fi thriller, it's happening right now. Insects are vanishing at an alarming rate, and the consequences could be catastrophic. Insects, though tiny and often overlooked, are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem. From pollinating crops to breaking down organic waste, they keep nature in balance. But alarming new research has revealed something shocking. Insect populations have plummeted by 76% in just 27 years. And this isn't limited to bees or butterflies, it's a total collapse. A long-term study conducted between 1989 and 2016 in Germany's protected nature reserves revealed this drastic decline in flying insect biomass. What's especially concerning is that these losses occurred even in so-called safe zones, areas meant to preserve biodiversity. Midsummer, a time when insect activity should be at its peak, showed the most dramatic declines. Using standardized traps across over 60 nature sites, researchers found that the drop is widespread, not confined to a single region or habitat. Forests, grasslands, and farmlands, all were affected. But why is this happening? While scientists are still investigating, several culprits have been identified. Climate change, pesticide use, and intensive agriculture are among the top suspects. However, the situation is complex. Land use changes and temperature shifts alone don't fully explain the sharp drop. That makes this collapse even more terrifying. We don't entirely know what's causing it. The implications of this decline are severe. Insects play a vital role in the pollination of food crops, which supports not just biodiversity, but global food security. A reduced insect population means fewer pollinators, less food, and disrupted ecosystems. Birds, reptiles, amphibians, and mammals that rely on insects for food are already being affected. In Europe, where agriculture and natural landscapes coexist closely, this trend could be disastrous. The EU's Common Agricultural Policy has made strides in environmental protection, but more urgent action is needed. Many of the threats to insect life, like neonicotinoid pesticides, habitat fragmentation, and monoculture farming, are still widely present. Some countries, including France and the Netherlands, have started banning certain harmful pesticides. But researchers argue that this isn't enough. Even within protected reserves, insect numbers are collapsing. This raises an uncomfortable truth: nowhere is truly safe for insects anymore. Scientists warn that if we fail to act now, the ripple effects will be massive. Entire ecosystems could unravel, crops could fail, wild animals could starve, and we, too, will feel the impact, at the supermarket, in the fields, and on our plates. So, what can be done? Immediate action to investigate all potential drivers, including pesticides, light pollution, and intensive farming methods. Reform agricultural practices to prioritize biodiversity, like rotating crops, reducing chemical use, and maintaining wildflower corridors. Raise public awareness about the importance of insects, especially among younger generations. Policy-level changes that enforce stricter environmental regulations across Europe. It's not too late, but the window is closing fast. Researchers call this a silent catastrophe, one that has been unfolding unnoticed for decades. But silence doesn't mean safety. The absence of buzzing bees and fluttering butterflies is a warning siren we can no longer ignore. It's time to act. Protect our insects, protect our future. Share this video, support eco-friendly farming, and demand action from your local leaders. Because without insects, there is no ecosystem. And without the ecosystem, there is no us.